know what I'm doing already, like, you know what's in store. I'm dyeing my hair. So my hair is just like dull, it's brown, but it's like a bit of a dull colour at the moment, and I'm just not feeling it, so I'm going to dye my hair with my very, very trusty Derma V10 natural dark brown hair dye, which is £1 from the range, you know that. I'm going to use 3 of these because 2 is like just slightly not enough, but 3 should be. I'm also thinking about doing some like chunky highlights, so I may be using a bit of bleach. Hopefully we'll be okay. But yeah, I'm not sure if I'm brave enough. I just really like brown hair, like really chunky like highlights, so I might do it. I might check it out, we'll see. I have got my dyeing shirt on, I'm ready to go. All I need to do is wash my hair and towel dry it, and then I'm going to start. Hello. So, as you can see, what I've done is I've made a little tiny plait of a piece of hair that I don't want to dye brown, that I want to have as a highlight, and then I've put it in a foil, because I feel like just wrapping the hair and putting it in the foil isn't very secure, so it's in a plait, tiny little plait. So I'm going to leave that. I think I'm literally just going to work up, because when I try to do it all at once and then put the dye on, I always end up getting dye on the little bits I don't want to get dye on, if that makes sense. So I'm going to do it in little tiny sections. Hopefully that works. And yes, I am putting gloves on. Look how great my nails are at the moment. I do not want to dye them.
About half an hour after you've actually finished using the toilet. I am one of those people. Yeah. Mainly my feet, I was thinking what I look at. We have a very small selection of friends. Small selection, like small.
I don't know what's happened. This might be tragic, this might be really tragic. We'll see. But the gloves worked, didn't they? Gloves worked beautifully. Love this for me. I just love it for me. So I feel like I didn't really show you too much of the process, but I literally just did what I did in that first part everywhere else. So the aim of the game, I wanted to dye my hair darker brown, and then I wanted to put in chunky highlights, as I said at the beginning. I think I achieved what I was trying to go for. Apart from making my hands look like this, the gloves just, I had to keep taking them on and off, so this happened. Very annoying. I had to paint my nails because I dyed them. Anyway, here's my hair. I have proper chunky highlights at the top. I haven't like toned it or anything yet, so I think I'm going to do that. But I'm not sure if I tone it with a brown, like a brownie orange toner, and make the highlights a bit more like warm, or I go in with like purple shampoo and make them brighter. So if you've got an opinion about that, please comment, because I'm unsure. My hair doesn't feel too bad, it feels pretty nice, but for some reason my hair likes to be dyed and it feels nicer after I've dyed it. Don't know why. I'm thinking about doing a series on this channel, I'm not sure. I've also may have bought a PC, so we will see what I do with that, but I'm hoping I'm going to start doing more videos because I have finally finished uni. So hopefully that means more videos, but I will see you next time. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I will see you soon. Bye.